Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mounce Automotive. Today I have a 2013 Ford Taurus Limited. This Taurus is loaded up. I think you're really gonna like it. I'm gonna show you some features on it real fast. Here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Plenty of tread left on the tires. Now this is a Limited, so it pretty much has every option that you can get on a vehicle. Power passenger seat, no rips or tears in these leather seats. The previous owner was a non-smoker. There's no funny smells inside of the vehicle. Now, due to shelter in place, we are currently appointment only. If you don't feel comfortable coming into the dealership, we can also bring the vehicle to your house. Now, if the shelter in place does lift in, if the shelter in place is lifted in Illinois, disregard that message. You will have to come to the dealership and see the vehicle in person. All right, another shot of here's a shot of your back seat again. No rips or tears in the leather seats back here. There's no funny smells, anything like that. This vehicle is extremely clean inside and out. Now we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 2.99. We also work with people trying to rebuild their credit. Now you are gonna have a backup camera and backup sensors on this Taurus. Huge trunk. You also have the nice all-weather tech floor mats. Always nice to have there. Guys, if you have any questions on this 2013 Ford Taurus, please let me know. We'll be more than happy to do anything we can for you. If you need more photos, another video, just let us know how we can help you out. Now, another thing with the shelter in place, if you're not comfortable with doing the paperwork at the dealership, we could also bring it to your house too and do the paperwork there. We just want to make the process easy as possible during these times. I did a full walk around this vehicle earlier. I could not find any major dents or scratches. This thing is absolutely perfect for 2013. Been very well taken care of. Let's hop inside and take a look around a little more. Oh, almost forgot something right here. You are gonna have blind spot indicators, always nice to have. Of course, power windows, power locks, memory seats, power driver's seat. Again, these seats are heated and cooled. No rips or tears in the leather seats. Start it up. All right, no cracking or fading in the dash. I don't see any chipping or cracking in the windshield. We do take in trades. We'll take anything, pretty much anything on trade, boats, motorcycles, you name it. We'll probably take it on trade. Got the nice big backup camera. Heated seats, cooled seats, navigation. You're gonna have remote start, dual temperature control. This car's completed a full inspection through our dealership. We're also gonna put a 30-day warranty on it as well too. You have Bluetooth, cruise control. There's no warning lights on, check engine lights, everything is good to go. Guys, if you have any questions on this Taurus, please give us a call or text at 309-310-3034. Just let us know how we can help you out. We'll do anything we can to make the process easy as possible. Thank you for taking the time and watching this video, and stay safe out there.